Blake, I'm going to touch the butterfly.
No. No, no, Daddy! I don't touch it!
Here, Bailey, come. Yeah.
Don't touch it, the butterfly!
What's it like?
Oh, no! No, look at the butterfly! It's with a arm!
You're going to need your lip.
They're big. Oh, no! No, don't have butterfly! Ow! They go over here! I don't like it! No! Stop it! No, because butterfly!
I'm sorry, Blake. I'll stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Blake, you touch it.
Look at my finger touched it.
Blake, I'm going to touch it.
No! No,
I'm going to touch the butterfly.
No! Stop it! Stop it!
Blake, why can't I touch it? Why?
Maybe
Do you want to touch it?
No, I don't want to. I want pizza.